Welcome back, savvy marketers, to another exciting episode of Earn Money YouTube channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of affiliate marketing on Pinterest. If you're looking to monetize your Pinterest presence and generate some serious passive income, you've come to the right place. So grab your favorite notebook and let's get started. Number 1. Understanding Pinterest and affiliate marketing. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's make sure we're on the same page. Pinterest is a visual discovery platform that thrives on creativity and inspiration. And when it comes to affiliate marketing, it's all about promoting products and earning a commission on sales. Combine these two, and you've got a potential goldmine. Number 2. Finding the right affiliate programs. The key to successful affiliate marketing on Pinterest is choosing the right products to promote. Research and identify affiliate programs that align with your niche and your audience's interests. Look for reputable companies, compelling products, and attractive commission rates. Remember, authenticity matters. Number 3. Crafting compelling pins. Your pins are your marketing assets on Pinterest. Create visually stunning pins that catch the eye and tell a story. Utilize high-quality images, bold typography, and engaging descriptions. Make sure your pins link directly to your affiliate partner's product page with your unique affiliate link. Number 4. Creating pin boards. Pin boards are where the magic happens. Group your pins into relevant themed boards that resonate with your audience. Be strategic, curate boards that cater to different stages of the buyer's journey. Whether it's top picks for fitness enthusiasts or must-have kitchen gadgets, tailor your boards to what your audience is seeking. Number 5. Crafting compelling pin descriptions. The description beneath your pins is your chance to sell without being overly salesy. Craft engaging and informative descriptions that highlight the value of the product. Use relevant keywords for searchability, and don't forget to include your affiliate disclosure to maintain transparency. Number 6. Engaging with your audience. Engagement is key to Pinterest success. Respond to comments, interact with other pinners, and foster a sense of community. The more you engage, the more likely your pins will be shared, expanding your reach and potential for conversions. Number 7. Tracking and analytics. No strategy is complete without tracking its performance. Use Pinterest's built-in analytics to monitor the effectiveness of your pins and boards. Identify what's working and what needs improvement, then adjust your strategy accordingly. Number 8. Scaling your efforts. As your affiliate marketing on Pinterest gains momentum, consider scaling your efforts. Create more pins, expand your boards, and explore new niches. Remember, consistency is key in maintaining an active and engaging presence. And there you have it, fellow marketers. Affiliate marketing on Pinterest is a dynamic way to turn your creativity into profit. By strategically curating pins, engaging your audience, and partnering with the right affiliates, you can unlock the true potential of this visually captivating platform. So go ahead, put these strategies into action, and start reaping the rewards of your hard work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel,